Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and freeing 100 MB or more so the app can install and cache data. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi to avoid cellular charges, sign into the App Store, and download Magic Eraser. Make sure you tap the freshly installed icon on your home screen or app drawer. That first launch prepares local resources. You do this now to let the app complete background setup and request necessary permissions, so the next steps run smoothly without. Now you handle an app setup and get into editing. You'll accept permissions for storage and photos so the app can read and save images. If prompted, allow camera access only when shooting. Once permissions are granted, sign in for cloud features or continue as guest if you prefer local edits. Next, import a photo from gallery or take one with the camera, then choose the eraser tool and set brush size and strength. This controls precision and speed during removal. You finish by painting over the object you want removed and watching the algorithm fill the area. Once satisfied, tap Apply to commit the change, then export or save copy and pick your resolution so you retain quality. If edges need refining, use the Repair or Clone subtool and reapply. If something goes wrong, app freezes or fails to save, clear the app cache, reboot the device, or reinstall. Always back up the original photo before major edits so you can recover if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.